So I have this leftover paint here on my surface from my previous pour. Really beautiful, pour, dramatic piece with some reds and gold and black. And this time I will again play with my transparent base again. I have a little bit of my pouring medium left that I will use for that part. But first I want to grab a little bit of paint and just scrape it in here, and I will add a little bit of gold, and then I will pour my transparent pouring medium into this just like that. And because it dries clear, I hope that I will get some nice looking stuff. Just playing, you know. And using up those scrape offs. Sometimes you get something nice, sometimes you don't, but I definitely want to try. Okay, and I will still add some painting, some gold, some of cadmium red. Just use up those colors, because when it's cold my colors kind of get a little weird if they are stand there mixed too long. Some permanent red violet in there. And some carmine red. And that pouring medium, you can use Floetrol there, I hope it will create some nice blending and transparency in colors. We will see when it will be dry. Some black, and I will add some white too, because that's what is white. It's not white, remember? It's a transparent pouring medium, and use up this gold. Okay, and I will use just 10 by 10 inch canvas, just, you know, to see what will happen. Maybe I should put it on, no, and I will do a wandering straight pour again. Okie doke. Want to tilt most of it. This off. Anyway. I really love those colors together. Now I don't know where is white and where is my transparent base, but we will see. So what I'm thinking is that there and there should be some transparency when it will dry. I don't know. And here, because I already see some stuff popping through, and I'm really hoping that it will dry nice, because it's a beautiful painting. And look at those fingerlings here, they are so cute. Get some weird mixing of gold and black here, but it's still okay. Here, yeah, I love it, can't wait to see it dry. So here she is, the beautiful Phoenix Rising. I will name this painting. You see a phoenix here, and I hope that I will be able to catch on camera why I like to use that transparent layer or slash pouring medium. I hope that you can see this part, how it almost looks like it's this red part is done later, or how can I say. And here, this is really gold shiny part. You see those lines there? They are like almost 3D. And this part is from a transparent part too. It's kind of, it's hard to explain, you had to see it in real life. And it's gorgeous and it shines. This gold pigment is really beautiful, and a lot of people ask me why my paintings are so shiny. My pouring medium dries really shiny, and this is the part with the transparent part. So it's just gorgeous, isn't it? I love it. I'm just so happy with this painting. And remember, you can do a nice painting from scrape offs, some leftover paints and some pouring medium, and you know, sometimes you are surprised with the end result in a good way, and this is the one that I really am positively surprised. I will show you the dried result of my previous pour that I used leftovers from, because it dried really gorgeous and I want to share. So stay tuned for the dried results of the previous pour. Okay, so here she is, the majestic dragon from my previous video. Look at this gold, dry and all. This really beautiful stuff. Some amazing planetary looking cells here. And the path that goes here, I don't know. It's a little apocalyptic, but it's still beautiful. So this is it for today. Thanks for being here. Let me know what you think in the comments. Share, like, subscribe, all the good things that help my channel. And see you again on Wednesday. Bye.